Hey guys, um, quite a bit to update you on, really. I'm still at Kirsty'd at the moment. I'm having to go back early tomorrow, to be admitted to Cottage. I'm not sure how long for. I'm not sure how long until the next video. Saw a video today, made from someone with a lot of views in their name, shall I say, and basically told me I blocked everyone on MSN. I just want to say to those who think that I never blocked anyone on MSN, I just don't often go on MSN anymore. I've made several different accounts and I very rarely go on them, so I don't really add people on them much, but you know, I will try to somehow contact some of you. I'm also sorry, because you said I used to be a lot more bubbly and now I'm not. Well, just want to say, because you blamed someone else for that, someone who it's not their fault at all, and to be honest, it's just because I finally learned how to not just hide all of my emotions constantly. You know, sometimes I get sick of making constantly bubbly videos. I know that on my last vlog video I was really upset because I couldn't be bubbly, and I got comments telling me that I didn't have to be, but when I'm not, I get comments saying, gosh, you used to be, but that doesn't mean I used to be happier. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Food, I don't know. My mum went to hospital last night for a concussion. She basically got drunk and fell down the stairs and hit her head, and had to have stitches in her head as well, I think. And both of my budgies died today. Yeah, as I said, I'm going to Cottage tomorrow. My weight has stayed pretty stable since I lost a stone. I don't think I've lost any more weight. I've probably gained weight, which you can probably tell just by looking at me anyway. Yeah, to be honest, when I saw the video, it was making me cry, but now I feel kind of angry at it. I'm sorry. When I saw it, I just wanted to disappear. I just wanted to delete all of my videos, except for some reason part of me thinks that they're helping somehow, but maybe they're not. And delete all my accounts and just disappear, because I feel like you're all disappointed in me, and you're all saying how much I've changed behind my back, and I feel like I've just let you all down, and that's not what I aim to do. Just because I may not be acting happy enough doesn't mean I'm not trying my best. And I know I don't make very many videos anymore, but it's just because all I ever do all day is eat, and I don't have time for anything else. And I'm sorry. I mean, I do vlogs every day on my vlog account, so I do updates. I mean, I haven't done them every day recently, but that's because I've been here. I didn't make this account about me. I didn't make it for updates about me. And I wish you guys wouldn't worry, because you know I'm always fine and I'm always out there somewhere whinging about something new. I don't know what else to say. Cottage, if you don't remember from my update last time, is the adolescent unit that I went to before. Don't know how long I'll be staying there for. Part of me still wonders if I can say no at this time. If I just don't catch the train tomorrow. Don't want to catch the train tomorrow. Don't want to leave. Yeah, there you go. An update. Kind of a response to the video, which I'm really hoping will be taken down soon. I'm sorry. Please. I think you all have the wrong idea. You're all blaming me being with someone as either a bad influence or I've changed since meeting them, but it's not been since then, guys. I think you're completely getting the wrong idea, and I wish that rather than paying attention to me, you took attention to my advice. I wish you took attention to my advice videos rather than try to contact me as a person. Just turn to my videos for motivation, not to me. Because otherwise I have to stick with some kind of a reputation or something I don't know. I have to stick with trying to make you all happy with me, but I just want you to be happy with my videos. I don't want to turn it into, oh gosh, are they disappointed, are they pleased, what, with me. I want it to be disappointed or pleased about my videos, not about me. If you want to talk to me, if you want to ask me for advice, that's fine. I'll give you my phone number. I'm sorry.